Ancient ham. I can use this as like a shield.
Tutu power. Ashley, the turtle.
I don't know what I have to do. I think I'm missing something. Toothbrush!
Okay, so look at this side, and then look at that side. Look at that hill. Oh my god. This side. This side wood. Ah. Oh my god, Ashley! So, what dance have you done?
Ballet.
That's it. What dance are you doing now?
Musical theater.
How many group dances do you have? 4? What do you have now, Ash?
Contemporary.
And this is dance number what?
3.
You guys are so pretty.
How do I look?
Fabulous. Hey Ash, how early is it?
Early enough.
What are we doing?
Makeup.
For which numbers?
My solo.
Whoop, whoop. Those are her medals.
Where? Yeah, but they're like dog tags. Competitions are cheap for medals. I'd rather ribbons to go on the tracksuit. Tags. I'm gonna wear a dog tag. Stop, Ashley. What? You put like 18 pounds of yellow on my face.
Ashley, what dance are you getting ready for? Ashley, what are you preparing for?
Really?
Tell me, Ashley, tell me.
Contemporary solo.
Oh, I got all of my camera.
In second place for Studio D, Everchange Team, you get a diamond. And in first place with a score of 964.06 is Sheila Parker.